Night shift completed. Another day, another dollar. Another day, another dollar. All right, W. Okay, night 5 completed. I just heard a weird noise. That was weird. All right, it is midnight now. Okay. We got goo right here. Okay, he's cleaning it. Good boy. Good boy. I'm the boss around here. What's up, Nathan? March 25th, 1983. Okay. From rainy back Seattle. Okay, he's telling the truth, and he's a shopkeeper. All right, nice. He seems real. He seems real. All right, I'm going to sell to him. There you go, buddy. Have fun. Hope you got everything you needed.